Hey guys, we are at the property. It's very hot
Hot.
and we got a lot done. Uh, kind of at a standstill now. I have a trencher rented. We're going to trench and run the power up next week, run the water up next week. Uh, take this, where you at?
This pole.
Take that pole completely out, and what I'm going to do is sandwich a header up there and make it one long span. It's basically, I think it's 20 feet. It'll hold. And I've had two builders come out and look, or two people that build, come out and look at it, and they both said I can do it. My only concern was the snow, and they said that it'll be fine. You put that header up there, it'll be 3 2x10s sandwiched up there, so it should be strong enough. There's no weight on it.
Well, on the plus side is if it does collapse because of snow, we won't be here.
Won't be here when it's snowing. But let me spin you around. We got this pretty much cleaned out. Let me get you down here. Pretty much cleaned out from what we're gonna keep for right now. This box right here is going out to the shed, and I'm gonna put a metal topper on it. So go turn that fan on. So it will there you go. That. Put a metal top on it, I'll polyurethane, it'll be fine. And then spin around here. We knocked out, making y'all dizzy, I know I am. If you remember, I'll see if I can insert a picture. There was a big stone, what would you call that thing? A grill, fireplace, homemade, whatever it was. Well, we used the Bobcat, knocked it out, cleaned it up. So now this is all open right here, and that is going to get framed off with a door in it, right there. Julie wants to keep that thing. The metal box is coming off of it, but it's actually nice. It's kind of almost like a butcher's block thing, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. The two leaf, that leaf will drop. The other one's already down, so that'll clean up. She'll repurpose that.
The metal is rotten on the bottom of this, or we keep this too. But the
Yeah, it's
metal's
gone.
rotten.
It's gone. I thought about putting it in the shed, but even in the shed, I don't think it'd work. That is golf cart batteries I got off a guy. Yes, there's only 4 there. I'm going to try to get the 4 worst out, and I know this is a bad idea. I know how batteries work, but it should get us through for a while.
Yep.
These steps right here, the top 2 I think I'm going to have to take off. And what I'll do is I'll pull the fuse on my steps. So when I open my door, they go in and out. That way they won't go out. I'll pull the fuse on while we're here, and we're going to try to use them. The tables, what are you going to do with them, Jules?
The one that's on top is a solid metal, old-fashioned kind of table, and we're gonna sand that down, get it painted. And my daughter-in-law is very good at painting. She is going to, if I can talk her into it, paint some flowers or something sunny on there. If that doesn't work, we may do a map or something like that.
You
We'll
thought
find
about
something.
Chip and Ruth, friends of ours.
They did a map,
They did a map on a smaller one,
right?
and Julie really liked that, and I think we may try that. And then we haven't cleaned them chairs up, but the chairs look to be fine. I don't think we're gonna have a problem with them chairs.
Sometimes those old plastic chairs just get brittle. So if we can save the chairs, we'll save the chairs. If not, they're out of here.
Hashtag save the chairs.
Yeah. We have 2 garbage cans, one big one and one smaller one that we'll
Whoops.
definitely keep.
This thing's worse than trying to fly my drone.
We'll definitely keep those 2. Right
One
now
inside,
they
one
got trash bags
outside.
in them.
Yeah.
And we'll
This
be able to
huge
use those.
fan right there, that thing
Works.
works really well. That's my ladder, but let's go this way first.
Yeah, we got some siding in here too.
Yeah, we got this Bobcat in here, which, if you remember right, and I got footage of it, we had a big old shed right here. Sat right there. This is just some of the remnants. Dadgummit. This is just some of the remnants of we've raked and cleaned up. I mowed the yard today, but that is gone. It opened it up, and it looks really, really good. So we still have the one shed that the go-kart. We have a go-kart.
Go-kart.
Yeah,
Woo.
we have a go-kart. The golf cart's in. And it's a pretty decent shed. It needs a little repair, but I think we can get a few years out of it.
Yeah.
That's getting donated to the Humane Society
Humane Society.
for the little doggies up there.
And the dog bowls, and I got some silver stainless steel bowls that'll go inside there.
Yep.
And this big dog bowl.
The grill that was here, we threw it away. Actually, we didn't throw it away. We
Set it
I don't know
out
why
front. We
I struggled
donated
with
it
up
to
and down here.
somebody.
Yeah, I kept the tank though. All this is cleaned up. And if you come around, look at this. It is all cleaned up. Lots of hard work.
Yeah.
Of course, it had to be 100 degrees when we was doing all this too.
Now that little Rose of Sharon is going to stay. We're going to get rid of the yucca that's beside it. And the yuccas out front are going to go.
The front's cleaned up. You're taking them out?
Yep, the yucca's got to come out.
Yeah.
But those got to come out with a shovel. That or Kevin said he had some kind of root picker that he may bring out and help us out with those.
You
but
see the dogs?
they're loving it.
Yeah, well,
They
they're
are
fenced
loving
in.
it. And they have a friend next door, so
Yeah, our friends have a dog.
Kaya.
He's out for a walk right now. This is out today. That is finally going to the zoo. But if you look, we get over here. If you look, that is 100% cleaned out. Wide open. Looks so much better. But a little more work to do in here, but now we're down to the technical stuff, I guess. And once we get it done, we'll be able to get in here. This beam right here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. If you look up here, that is the header we're going to sandwich. And in theory, it'll work. And take that post out right there. And then this will be wide open for me to open my slide. I don't have to worry about trying to sandwich it in between two posts. We'll just do away with it. So,
Yep.
So that's a game plan. Anything else?
Nope.
Little guys are hungry or thirsty. They're hot. Gusser. Hey, what do you boys think? Huh? You think? You ain't Gusser. You don't care, do you, buddy? Anything else there, sister?
Nope.
Is that it?
That's it.
That's it. Like I said, we got the trencher for next Tuesday.
Yep.
Gonna run water line. Gonna run
Some power.
50 amp. We bought variable
Variable.
wire. We're gonna put the tough word. And we're gonna put the water line down below 2 feet. There ain't gonna be no water in the winter anyways. We'll blow the lines out, but
Yeah.
it'll all be excuse me, it'll all be up here and you won't be able to see it. So
It's awesome.
that's it. Anything else?
Got some painting to do yet.
That'll be next year when we get back. We're just gonna get it cleaned up when we get in here now, and then next year we come back because we ain't gonna have time this year.
No. All the screens are gonna have to be replaced. We'll have to get those next year too.
Yep. So hey guys, continue watching the base camp remodel. Something like that. And always thanks for watching.
Facebook,
Instagram.
thumbs up.
If you got it, go ahead. Hey, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.